Hey yo, what's up? Today we'll be turning this plain ass tote bag into something a little cooler. For this I used a pencil, eraser, ruler and a permanent marker. As the tote bag is made up of canvas, the pencil marks can easily be erased. I did some off-camera work. Apparently this design was originally made for my wall poster, which I also made a video about on TikTok, so make sure to check that out as well. Here I was trying to draw the speech bubbles from manga, but then erased them cause it was looking a bit extra. However, I did write con in Japanese and English as it makes me look cooler, haha. Now I had to put some sort of barrier in the bag so the ink does not bleed. I also did a marker ink bleed check. Now is the time of action. I actually did not want to marker it, but intrusive thoughts won. Yeah, it's just me coloring. And finally we're done. Also please excuse this monotoned voice. I sound so rude through this. Alright, bye.